So, you've been doing squats for a while, but let me guess, your knees hurt, your back feels off, and you're not actually building the strength or muscle you want. Here's the truth. Most people are doing squats wrong. In fact, I see the same mistakes over and over again, mistakes that are literally holding you back from stronger legs and a healthier body. Today, I'm going to break down the 5 biggest squat mistakes you must avoid, and of course, show you exactly how to fix them. By the end of this video, your squats are going to feel smoother, safer, and way more effective. Let's dive right in. Mistake 1, knees caving in. One of the most common and most dangerous squat mistakes is letting your knees cave inward as you go down. You've probably seen it. Someone squats, and instead of their knees tracking over their toes, they buckle inward like a collapsing tent. This is called knee valgus, and it puts unnecessary stress on your knees and joints, which over time can lead to pain or even injury. Fix: as you squat, think about pushing your knees out slightly, almost like you're spreading the floor apart with your feet. Keep your toes pointed slightly outward, and make sure your knees follow that same line. If this feels weak, you probably need to strengthen your glutes and hips. Exercises like banded walks or clamshells can help. Mistake 2, heels coming off the ground. The squat should be a stable, powerful movement, but if your heels are lifting up off the floor, you're basically balancing on your toes. That destroys stability and puts too much pressure on your knees and joints. Why it happens? Tight ankles, weak hips, or simply bad squat habits. Fix: keep your weight centered through your midfoot and heel, not the toes. Think of your feet like roots. They should stay planted firmly on the ground. If ankle mobility is the issue, do calf stretches and ankle dorsiflexion drills. You can also use small weight plates under your heels temporarily while you work on flexibility. Mistake 3, rounding your back. Ever see someone squat and their lower back rounds like a shrimp? This is called the Buttwink, and it's a recipe for back pain. When your spine loses its neutral position under load, it adds unnecessary pressure to the discs in your lower back. Fix: first, don't squat deeper than your mobility allows. Depth is great, but only if your back stays straight. Strengthen your core and hip flexors, because often this problem comes from weak support muscles. Brace your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. That tension keeps your spine locked in place. Mistake 4, chest falling forward. Another common mistake is letting your chest collapse forward. This turns your squat into more of a good morning exercise, stressing your lower back and robbing your legs of the work they should be doing. Why it happens? Weak core, weak upper back, or setting the bar too high or low in back squats. Fix: keep your chest up and your eyes looking forward, not down. Imagine you're showing the logo on your shirt to someone in front of you. Strengthen your upper back and core with exercises like front squats, planks, and rows. Mistake 5, half squats. Here's one that almost everyone is guilty of at some point: not going low enough. Doing shallow half-rep squats might feel easier and let you lift more weight, but they don't fully work the muscles. Fix: aim for your thighs to go parallel to the ground or slightly below, depending on your mobility. Don't sacrifice depth for more weight. Proper range of motion builds stronger, more balanced legs.